Hi, I'm Sheri from Whole Circle Studio, and welcome to the Wildflower Remix Block of the Month and Quilt Sew Along. Today, I'm going to give you some tips as you begin to foundation paper piece your fourth Wildflower Remix block. In addition to this video, be sure to refer to the tips included in the pattern, as well as the links below to additional video tutorials. This block comes together very much like previous blocks, and I just have one quick reminder for you. Be sure to pay attention to the dots on the paper pieces and use the positioning pinning technique I demonstrated in the Block 2 video. If you want a refresher, I also have a short positioning pinning tutorial you can watch. You'll find links to both videos below. I can't wait to see your blocks come together. Thanks so much for being here and for sewing along with us. I'll be back next month with even more tips. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe so you never miss a new tutorial. Also, share your quilt block progress. You can email me a high-resolution photo of your block and I'll include it in our online gallery. My email address is in the pattern, or you can share your photo on Instagram, but be sure to tag me so I don't miss it. See you next month and happy sewing!